In this video, I will show you how I install this TV wall bracket. This is a plasterboard wall with timber studs at about 450mm separation center to center. I'm going to use the Bosch DTEC 120 radar scanner to find the timber studs, mark them out, and then install the bracket. And the bracket will carry a 46-inch TV that is pretty heavy, weighs 31 kilograms. Because the TV is so heavy, it is safest to mount the TV bracket to timber studs rather than plasterboard. So join me in this video and see how I do it. Let's make a start. The TV bracket is 76 centimeters long, left to right. I want to find two timber studs between the ends of the TV bracket. These are 4 holes I previously drilled to locate the timber studs. I'll show you the process of finding the timber studs on this side, and it'll be the same for that side. This is the Bosch DTEC 120. It's a radar scanner. Can be used for plasterboards, drywall, masonry, concrete. I've set the Bosch DTEC 120 radar scanner to drywall. I'm gonna move left. You see the circles with the cross and the square. When you get the square, that means where that square is, here and there, that's where the center of the timber is. So if I mark on the left and right and vertical, there and there, you see that the hole is about there. Horizontal, vertical cross, they'll intersect about here, and you see that's where the center of the timber stud is. So that's where I have the hole. We'll do that the same for this one. There you go. Circles, cross, and the square means that it's detected the center of the timber stud. So if I mark across there, 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 you see if I join the intersection, it's about there, and that's where the hole is. So this is a pretty decent radar scanner. I've done a separate review for this. It's in the description. Have a look at it. Using the Bosch DTEC 120, I've also detected another timber stud here and have drilled the holes there and there. So you have to use a level to determine that this is level. Same here. To secure the TV bracket to the timber studs, I'll be using this hex head timber screws. It has external diameter 6mm and length 50mm. Because it's in the house, it doesn't have to be galvanized. This is just zinc plated. Once you've decided where the center of the TV bracket should be, you can start screwing it in. One screw enough for here just to hold the position. Next one in at the top, just the whole position. Just be careful not to over tighten. See the bubbles in the center, so that's good. So the bracket's all fixed, secure, not going anywhere. Next job is to install the 2 vertical arms to the back of the TV. This is one of the 4 installation holes on the back of the TV. Because it's recessed inside, I must not just put the arm of the bracket onto the plastic, because when I tighten it's gonna crack the plastic. So I've got some steel bushes and that will go in there, and then the arm can sit into that. So the bolt will be a M8mm screw. I'm putting a spring washer and a normal washer because there'll be vibration, so this will stop the screw working itself loose. So let me install the first arm on the right. Make sure don't tighten anything yet, because you need to allow the arm to fit into the optimum position. Just hand tighten it, that's all. That's good. Now to install the second arm. Put the steel bushes, bolt, spring washer, normal washer, and tighten. Second bolt. Get the Allen key out and you can start tightening. Again, be careful not to over tighten. It's going to break anything. It's got a spring washer, so it should stay tight. No need to over tighten. Done. So to mount the arms onto the wall brackets, very simple. You have these hooks here. So all you do is lift the arms and fit this top hook to the top of the TV bracket. So once the top of the arms is mounted to the top of the wall brackets, you then pull this cord, which lowers the bottom hook, allowing the bottom of the arm to catch on the bottom of the wall bracket. Then release it. Simple as that. That's it. Right, the TV is mounted. It's a heavy TV, 31 kilograms. Here's a side view of the television with the wall bracket mounting. Done! TV install on wall bracket. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and to help the channel grow. Thank you so much.